Get ready for Yoga Nidra practice by lying down on your back, allowing your feet to fall apart naturally and placing your hands alongside body, palms facing up. Remember to remain still in this position throughout the practice. Now, close your eyes and take a deep inhale. With the exhale, let go of all the worries you had for the day. Relax all of your body by simply allowing the accumulated tension to let go, like you do just before falling asleep. When your body relaxes deeply, sleep may follow, but you should stay awake during the practice. This is very important. So say it mentally to yourself. I will stay awake throughout this practice. During the practice, do not try to analyze the instructions. Simply follow the voice which guides you to deeper relaxation levels. Thoughts may come and go as you continue to relax. When they start taking your attention away, gently remind yourself to get back to the practice and focus on the voice. Start scanning your body to bring more awareness to it. Start from the tip of your head. Scan your face and back of the head, neck, back, your hands, belly, legs. Feel the support you are receiving from the floor. How is it holding you? Bring more awareness into your sense of touch. The body points that touch the floor, the weight of your clothes, or the blanket. Yoga Nidra practice begins now. This is time for you to set your Sankalpa, an intention which should be simple in its construction, yet produce a change that you want to achieve. Your intention can be a state that you very much desire to achieve, or something that comes to your mind naturally at this moment. Set the intention and mentally repeat it 3 times with awareness and full attention. Your Sankalpa is bound to come true. We move towards consciousness rotation, directing your full attention to a part of your body at a time. The practice always starts with your right side of the body. Become aware of your right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth, and fifth. Become aware of your right palm, back of the hand, your wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper hand, your right shoulder, the armpit. Now gently move your awareness to the right waist, right hip, right thigh, your knee, the calf, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the foot, top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third, fourth, and the 5th toe. Guide your consciousness to the left side of your body. Become aware of your left hand thumb, 2nd finger, 3rd, 4th, and the 5th. Become aware of your left palm, back of your hand, your wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper hand, your left shoulder, the armpit. Move your awareness to the left waist, left hip, left thigh, the knee, calf, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the foot, top of the foot, the big toe, 2nd toe, 3rd toe, 4th, and 5th toe. We now move to the back of the body. Become aware of your right shoulder blade and the left, your right buttocks and the left, the spine, and now the back as a whole. Moving to the front of the body, become aware of the top of the head, the right eyebrow, the left, and the space between the eyebrows, the right eyelid and the left, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, the right cheek and the left, your nose, the tip of the nose, upper lip, lower lip, the throat, the right chest, the left, and the middle of the chest, the navel, and your abdomen. Move your attention to the right leg as a whole. Now the left leg, and both legs together. The whole of the right arm, the left arm, and both arms together. The whole of the back, spine, shoulder blades, the whole of the front, chest, abdomen, the whole of the front and the back of the body, the whole of your head and the whole of the body together. Whole of the body together. The whole of the body together. Stay awake, do not fall asleep, and do not move. Become aware of your body lying on the surface which supports you. See your body lying still on the floor or the bed. Become aware of your body in this room. Imagine this picture vividly in your mind. Become aware of your breath. Feel how the air flows in and out of your lungs. Do not control your breathing. Let it happen naturally, and simply observe it. There is no effort in breathing. It happens naturally and automatically. Be aware of your breath. Move your attention to the navel area. Concentrate on the rise and fall of your belly. Each and every breath causes the movement of your belly, up and down. Concentrate on how synchronized is your breath with the movement of your belly. Now, start counting your breath from 27 to 1. 27 belly rise, 27 belly fall, 26 belly rise, 26 belly fall. Continue counting until you reach 1. Continue counting. Now become aware of your breath in the chest area. Your chest slightly rises and falls with each and every breath. Maintain your awareness in the chest area and start counting your breath similarly to the belly from 27 to 1. 27 chest rise, 27 chest fall. Continue the practice, mentally counting until 1. Maintain count and awareness. Be aware and continue counting. We now come to the visualization. Follow the instructions and bring the image of mandala in front of your eyes as vividly as possible. Engage your entire consciousness on all levels in this visualization. Image, awareness, feelings, and emotions. A small dot in front of you. The dot is slowly starting to expand. It grows in front of your eyes to become bigger and bigger. You now see a circle outline, big and pulsing. It rotates around its center. You notice triangles start arising from the outer side of the outline, one by one. like rays of the sun. The whole circle is now covered with the triangles. The top angles of triangles start becoming softer and rounded, like flower petals. The mandala keeps rotating around its center. From the center, you see now next circle arises inside, without reaching the outer layer of the mandala. And one more circle, and one more. Now you can notice a lotus flower in the middle of your mandala. All the parts rotate, but the lotus stays in the place. It serves as an anchor, the center point, the point of reference. It is now time to repeat your Sankalpa. The same intention that you set at the beginning of this practice. Repeat it 3 times now. Let go of any effort and relax your attention. Become aware of the natural breath you have, the entire body and the breath. Become aware of the surface that supports you. Start noticing any sounds around you. The closest sound and the most distant sound. Keeping your eyes closed, become aware of the room in which your body is lying still. Lie quietly for some time with this awareness. Slowly start moving your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch the whole body, and when it is awake and you are ready, gently open your eyes. Your Yoga Nidra practice is now complete.